I know the APU is on. There's like literally just no one at this airport right now. At Gatwick, this one in Roblox, like, dude, it's crazy. It's just spinning like that. That's the sound of a Trent 1000. We're about to cruise. We're about nosedive mode. Love when the spoilers go up, makes that rumbling noise. Ram, you just be quiet, please. I'm trying to upload a video. Please. Sorry, that's just my brother. Just talking to my brother. But he's not in here. So we're touching down. Spoilers up a bit. Flight mode. To keep those up until we reach about 1,400 feet. Rank 230 at 250 knots. And we're heading to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Then why would I put it that close? There's no fuel tank. And we're going to 1,200. Putting it flaps at 1/2. Because since we're not close to to Punta Cana, so I decided to do that. With Punta Cana, put it all the way over there, and we're gonna have to hit, I think, 210. I think the map is glitching. Because it's like showing on blank water. Every second I fly. I'm screen recording, which is... Every time I screen record, it does that. British Airways 8128. Going to Punta Cana from London Gatwick. We turn on the landing lights now. Then we're going our altitude like 1,100 feet. Flaps at max. When we see when the map's visible, oh, we've seen less than a mile. Then why but the strobes have to be on during landing, including during daytime hours. But we're going to runway 8 at Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to go 245 knots. That's engine 2. Engine 1. It's glitching. Oh, shit. Sorry, I swore a bit. Somebody's just glitching on my Roblox. Altitude 1,000 feet. Gear down. Seem to be like 7-mile distance. The Air Canada seems to have GE NX, but doesn't have the Rolls-Royce logo. But I don't want to put a Rolls-Royce Trent instead of the GE NX. It's kind of confusing me a bit. I don't know, but I don't know why they have to do that for some reason. Reduce speed pretty much soon. Landing lights are definitely on. Gears down. We're gonna have to reduce speed to 230 knots. You have to reduce speed during landing because when we're on approach, sometimes we have to reduce thrust. But right now we have to continue autopilot until we're close enough to the runway. So we'll be landing on like runway 8. Means we have to go on the other side of that other runway on my left. Oh shit. Tank 205. The max is saying 220 but they said the speed is 220 or greater. Because when you're landing, you gotta be at 220 or greater. But you can but planes have to like land at like 150 knots in order to get perfect landing. I might have to land at 150 knots. So, reduce speed to 220 knots. Oh no. Now we're going to go at 200. I love that sound of a Trent 1000. It's really cool. So many sounds. Which verse? We're gonna go at 150 when we pass like when you like go a little closer to land. MDPC is the code. Means Punta Cana. It's the code. Now we're going to 150. That's landing speed. We turn off autopilot soon. Spoilers. Testing. I have my landing lights on because it's getting nighttime. Because when I land and I turn off all the lights, the strobes, landing lights are still on. Just absolutely a bummer. There's a plane right there. I'm probably gonna be following that plane, or it's probably just no on that runway. Oh, he's on the other runway. We're definitely after a plane. Well, we're gonna probably give me second or third and landing on the runway. Oh, we're not clear yet. I don't think we're clear to land yet. We're on British Airways flight A128. We're gonna have to activate controls soon. Now we're gonna have. Now deactivate autopilot. Spoilers up. We're gonna have to turn around. Oh shit. I have to go. Oh shit! No! Speed up! Cause I'm descending now. No! Oh, I'm not following. Oh no! I'm gonna fall. Oh no! I'm falling. Because you're gonna hear the actual flight director pretty much now. Because I'm shoot. Oh no! I'm falling. Lift the nose up a bit. And now we're gonna have to go to. This is the closest runway now. Shoot! Now we're gonna have to descend. I have no choice. Because we seem to be going down. Oh shit. We're doing a crosswind now. Lift the nose up. I heard one. That was the flight director. 50. Here's some brakes. Toe brakes. We have to go to complete stop. Here we go. Hardest brake you have to do, that's like go to complete stop. 2, 3, 4. Why are my strobes still on? And landing lights. I'm gonna have to go fast. We're gonna have to go fast. We're gonna have to go fast. We're gonna have to get out of here because there's an there's an American flight that's gonna take off on this runway any minute. We're gonna have to get out this. We're gonna have to go on this mini taxiway. It's the main problem. I have no choice. I'm going idle now. Because I have no choice. Oh, not clear. No, not clear. Not clear. There's... Why is always put their name as Edna mode? That is pretty weird. Maybe I should wait for that one to back up. That's probably gonna be our gate. I'm just gonna back up. Deactivate controls for just temporarily. To wait until that thing backs up. And then Texas. Set this Rolls Royce. And there it's backing up, but we're just waiting until that thing taxis and it's ready to go. I'm doing a right turn back up. Ooh, that's Emirates. Boeing 777-300ER. What happened to that? That plane just faded. Like, the terminal is just gone. Like, it's like, faded. Now he's taxiing. We're gonna have to wait here until it's clear. That's gate on beat 25. He's going to runway 9. Crossing runway 9. Throttle's at 19%. This is Dominican Republic. And this one didn't take that long. This took about 21 minutes. I counted. And here's B25. I have to. This is the only one I could have. This one can fit a 787. Here's B-25. We're gonna have to turn around. Luckily we didn't make a turnaround. That was a perfect landing. It's pretty firm landing. Stay in this lane. Sorry. You know, the Osprey stopped flying. Cause it's gone. It's like completely. Sorry, those are other gates. That's a Boeing 777 with GE90. You can hear the Emirates. The ATC is offline. Crap. Bruh's Gen Z slang.